welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing a very special unboxing. This is a limited edition box that I've never tried out before, but I'm really excited because of what it's representing and who it's supporting. So we're gonna go ahead and get started today, you guys. I'm gonna show you this box, all of the contents, and I'm gonna explain the whole message behind it. So the name of the box that we are opening up today is called the Luxe box, and this is from a brand called Look Good, Feel Better. Now, this box I know looks a little small because I thought the same thing when it came in. I was like, oh, this was not what I was expecting, but I don't think it's going to be a bad thing. I still have really great hopes for this, so don't be shocked yet by the size. So Look Good, Feel Better is a company that helps people out that are going through cancer treatments, or maybe they've just been recently diagnosed. And what they do is they provide virtual beauty services, but they also have in-person events where anyone can come and they will do beauty makeovers and helping anyone that's going through those cancer treatments to feel their best and to look their best. So it's a really cool company, and what they've done is they've partnered up with several different brands. Each brand donated one product and put it into this box. They collectively made this box and charged $50 for it. There was free shipping on this. I don't even think I had to pay sales tax on it. I'm pretty sure it was just $50 even for it. And then 100% of the net profits and proceeds of this box are going to go back into funding these workshops for anyone to attend for these beauty lessons. So it's a really cool idea, and I loved what it was supporting. This was sent over to me by a subscriber that she actually found this deal and said, hey, you might want to look into this. I loved it, and I was like, 100%, let's try it out. At the end of the day, even if I don't love all of the products that are in here, it was only $50, and I think it makes a great donation no matter what. So honestly, I'm just gonna be happy with this box no matter what happens today, but I still wanted to share it with you guys. It is currently sold out. I just checked it. I swear, you guys, I try to get these boxes in and filmed before they sell out, but it was just delivered yesterday, and today it's sold out. So this one, if it comes back in stock, or if they ever do another one like this, I will refer back to this video. So I'm going to post a link down below to their website. That way you guys can always check it out if you're ever interested in supporting or learning more about it. I will have you covered with that link below. And before we get started too far, you guys, I want to give a quick shout out to Ana Luisa. Today I am wearing several pieces of jewelry from them. They are my favorite jewelry company ever. I have got on this gorgeous necklace from Ana Luisa. I'm also wearing several of the rings per usual. I'm obsessed with the snake ring most of all. It is so cute. So love Ana Luisa. They've got the cutest jewelry. If you're interested in any of their products, I also have a discount code listed down below for you guys as well. So this is what it looks like when you open it up, and it says this box helps bring hope to people facing cancer. More than makeup, these programs have proven to be an essential element in holistic cancer support by instilling confidence, reviving self-esteem, and providing a sense of control and normalcy during cancer treatment and recovery. So it says if you want to learn more, like I said, you can visit their website. It says that all of these proceeds are directly benefiting their program and individuals facing cancer. And then down below are all of our beauty products. First item that I have here is from Elemis, and this is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Great way to start this box off. 50 grams or 1.7 ounces. I believe this is a full-size product. So I love that we're getting a full-size product from Elemis, which is amazing. This cleansing balm will help to take off makeup or dirt or impurities. This is a very gentle balm. So I have used this product before, and it's a balmy texture that you're able to rub on. And it's so soft on my skin that it's almost like you don't know it's there, but it definitely removes your makeup. It's just very gentle. I also have a product from Pure Lease inside of the box. This is the Matcha Green Tea Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. So this will help to draw out any impurities with that charcoal in there, and it's going to help to give hydration and restore your skin. The ingredients are great. Having green tea in here, lemon, they're all natural ingredients. Green tea's also got a little bit of caffeine in it, so it should energize your skin a little bit as well. But the idea is that you're going to put this on and it's going to clarify and brighten your skin. It's great for oily or normal skin types and safe for sensitive skin as well. I'm sure the only reason why they don't recommend this for dry skin is just because of the charcoal being in there. Sometimes charcoal mixed with dry skin can be too strong, so I'm guessing that's the only reason why that's not included. Oh, we've got Milk Makeup. This is full size. I love it. So Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, it is their high volume mascara. So Milk Makeup always does these funky packaging where it's a triangle. It is cute. Like, you can always identify Milk when it's in a box. But it's in the shade Boom, which I believe is just their black mascara. And it's not only going to give you volume, but it's also going to condition your lashes. That way, they're going to be soft as well. And it's going to give peptides. So it should help with growing and length at the same time. You know, for a little box, they knew how to pack this box. Like, I'm surprised because as I take a layer off, it's like, oh, there's another product. There's another one below it. So shout out to the packers that made this box. Next item is from First Aid Beauty, and it is the AntiChafe stick. These sticks are godsends, you guys. So you can put these anywhere where you may have chafing or rubbing at. For myself, it is definitely my thighs. It goes on clear and it's just like a deodorant. So it's just a stick that you're gonna rub on and it's going to create a balmy consistency. So it's no longer going to chafe, it's going to glide right past. Now you can use this on your arms. I know some have used it before, but anywhere you have some chafing or rubbing issues, this is perfect to use. This size is just their travel size, so you can take it with you. But if you've got, like, you guys, I've had long days where we've went hiking and it's like you just need to have on a stick like this to prevent that chafing. Or if you go to Disney World, I took this with me last year when we went because, again, hot, long day plus the humidity is crazy, you guys. I was like, I have to have a chafing stick every day. I kept that in my backpack. It was great. Also included in our box is a full-size blush from Nars. This is in the shade Orgasm, which is their best-selling blush, you guys. Honestly, this is pretty awesome. I already know, based off of the Milk Makeup and this, we've probably hit the $50, you guys. But if not, the Elemis definitely set it over. So I'm excited because these are great brands and we're definitely over that $50 price point already. This blush, my sister swears by. Now, I don't use this one regularly, only because they're not cruelty free and that kind of bugs me, but that's just a personal thing. It's not that it's not a great brand. It has amazing pigment. It's a beautiful color. It's just a personal reason why I don't use it. But my sister uses this all the time. And I'm telling you guys, I don't think she will ever change from this blush. This is the only blush she will ever use. So it blends out beautifully. It's also the perfect cool pink tone, but it's got a little bit of highlight. It's very subtle, so it's a brightening effect when you use it as well. Last item that we have in this box today, you guys, is from Burberry. And here I was worried that the value may not be there. It could all be little samples. I had nothing to worry about, you guys. This was an amazing deal. So we have a full-size perfume from Burberry. This is the Goddess fragrance. It is a full-size box, sealed here as well, 50 ml. I'm not familiar with this fragrance. To be honest with you guys, I don't think I've tried anything from Burberry. I don't think. But this one, it says, has vanilla notes on it. So I do like that at least it's a middle-of-the-road scent that it will work for everyone. And it's nothing that's like too polarizing. How cool is this though? So that is everything inside of my Luxe box today, you guys. I had a total of 6 items. And from what I can tell, 4 of the 6 were full-size products. I'm ecstatic with this. $50 for it. It helps support a great mission, a great cause. You get great items in return. I hope they do more of these because I think this is a great way to contribute. Plus, you're getting great items in return. So believe me, if these come back in stock or if they come out with a different version of these with different products, I will definitely be posting about it over on my community page here on YouTube, letting you guys know. But this to me was 100% worth it. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!